How to organize Gmail inbox with labels. If you want a cleaner, more organized Gmail inbox, labels are the way to go. To start, open Gmail on your desktop and look at the left-hand side. Scroll down and click More. Then select Create New Label. Give your label a name like Work, Recipient, or Family. Then hit Create. Now, go back to your inbox. Select any email you want to organize. Click the label icon at the top and choose the label you just created. You can even add multiple labels to one email. For auto organization, create filters by clicking the gear icon, going to See All Settings, and selecting the Filters and Block Addresses tab. There, you can set up rules to automatically label incoming messages based on the sender, subject, or keywords. Labels act like folders but with more flexibility, so you can keep your inbox clutter free and easily find what you need later. So that's it.